Welcome to our channel!
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today's video, we're gonna make column using just a string without the stand, okay? And let's start. First, we're gonna inflate all these balloons right here. We're using, what's the size for this?
11.
11
inch chrome.
11 inch
Chrome
balloons.
Yeah. So we have.
We'll use this as our top.
Yeah, later.
Okay.
So we use the 9, right? 9 inch.
9 inches. So it's easier if you put it like that. Size it here. The trick to this, you don't want to inflate the balloon really big, because if you do, it'll pop easily. So if you want a spiral design with 4 colors, it has to be one on each end or corner. So all 4 color in one. Okay guys, so I inflated 8 of each color. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna connect all colors. So I paired up with gold and green. So just put them like that for now. So just connect them like this, tie them. Okay.
And
green and gold. And then just attach them like that for now. Twist. Alright guys, so finally I all paired them all up. 1 color in each. What you need is a string, either a string or a nylon, like a fishing line. Okay, you can use any color. Okay, and then I'll connect here. I'll tie the end here. Okay. Now, so our design is going to be like a spiral, so you want to make sure the same color goes to the same location. So like that. So we have, so you want to make sure this one is like there, like this. So now this in between. Okay, you just have to tie this, go to the bottom, up, twist. Next, again you want the gold followed by your purple. So again you want to arrange it just like the same way. You'll see the spiral thing right here. First, I need the string.
Thank you.
Like that. You want to tie it again. up to you. Next. Alright, so guys, I arrange it just the same pattern so I don't have to like finagle every now and then. So this one goes here, purple. Okay, just like that. All the same. So now we'll continue. So always that. So you keep an eye on the pattern so you'll see that it's going like spiral. So it will just stand using just your string, okay? Last one. Just like that. If you want it higher, you can add more if you want. So this is just, we choose to make just 8 for the tutorial.
Like
Tutorial.
8
8.
of each color.
Yeah.
And there were like 4 colors,
1,
so
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
8 times 4. So that's the total balloons.
We will inflate this one for the top. Okay.
You can use any of the balloon.
Put it on top. Okay. Alright, so now we're gonna attach the string to the top. So how do we do that is just fold it like this. So securely in there. Securely tie it right there. And that's all you need, just a little string, just so you can attach this to the balloon. Put this on the top, same thing, just have to tie it, just secure that in place. And if you have like excess cord or string, just tie it underneath like that. And now get your top. The spiral again. No, if you put this outside or anywhere you want to have weight. So I'm gonna go grab another balloon. Alright guys, so I'll use this as a just like the weight. We'll put this on the bottom so it'll stay in place, especially if it's windy. So again, the same kind of tie. So I'll put this right on the center. Alright, so let's let this stand
Ayun,
and just keep them straight. Just like that, guys. See the spiral design right there? You look. So if we have a party, we usually make 2 of this, put it side by side, you know, so it's nice and even. Okay guys, so that's it. Look at the finished product. I hope you guys enjoyed it and hope you learned something from this video. please make a comment, and please don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.